Good morning, guys. Today is May 12th, 2020. I'm going to give you a good morning high five. It is the last week of school. Hope you guys are having a good last week of school. I'm really surprised that it's the last week of school. We've had a really good year, and I hope that we finish this week strong. So today, like I said, I'm feeling surprised. All right, who remembers what I said the month is? You're right, the month is May. So let's say our months together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Oh, and I forgot something really important. What did you guys celebrate this weekend? Mother's Day. I hope you guys were able to make something great for your mom. Or if you didn't make her something great, I hope you guys at least did something special for her. Gave her some quiet time this weekend. All right, we said that today is May the 12th. So what two numbers do you squish together to make 12? You're right, the number 1 and the number 2. So everyone say that number for me. 12. Good job. May the 12th, and what year is it? You're absolutely right, 2020. Good job. All right, we said that today is Tuesday, and we know that Tuesday starts with the letter T. Today is Tuesday. And what did Miss W tell you yesterday was? You're right, yesterday she said it was Monday, and Monday starts with the letter M. If today is Tuesday, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Wednesday. And what letter says W? You're absolutely right. W says W. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. And we're going to check the weather for next week. Next Tuesday, the 12th. So get out your weather app if you have one and look at today's weather. Tuesday, May 12th. You probably can't see it very well, but it says that it's going to be partly cloudy. Partly cloudy. So that means a little bit of sun and a little bit of cloud. Good job. And it also says that it's going to be 59 degrees. So that feels cool or hot? I'm going to say that feels cool out. So we're going to use these tools to tell us about our temperature. And what kind of tool is that? You're right, that's called a thermometer. And the reason that our weather is changing so much from cool to warm, sometimes even maybe a little bit hot, is because we are in the season of spring. Good job. And I have good news. Summer is coming. Summer comes in June. So yesterday it was cool. I'm recording this a little bit early, so I don't know if it was cool yesterday, May 11th, but it was cool yesterday when I was before recording this. So I'm going to tell you what I wore yesterday. I wore long pants, a t-shirt, a hoodie jacket. Oh, I didn't wear a hat. And I had to wear socks and shoes because I was outside. So that's what I wore yesterday when it was cool. Do you think that I would wear a bathing suit when it's cool? No, I probably wouldn't. So go ahead and you guys, when I'm finished, you're going to go back and do your calendar in Google Classroom. So make sure you make your decisions about what you're going to wear based on the fact that it's going to be cool today. So yesterday I wore a blue Mario shirt and I wore gray pants and my socks were actually rainbow. So I'm going to put purple here. And then my jacket was black. So go ahead and make sure that when you're making your choices that you choose the colors that you're wearing, right? We're not gonna make pretend colors. Let's choose the colors that we were wearing today. All right, and we have been in school 158 days. So let's make those choices. 158 days. We've been in school 158 days. Go ahead and say that number. Excellent job. All right, now we're going to make change for the day. Today we said is the 12th, May the 12th. So we're going to use nickels and pennies for our change today. So let's count by, you're right, 5s to get to 10, and then we're going to count up by 1s. 5, 10, and we're going to count up by 1. So we've got 10, 11, 12. Excellent work. 12 cents, May the 12th. Then the last thing we need to do is we need to make change for 158 days, or $1.58. So we've been talking about this for a while. How many quarters make $1? You're right. 4 quarters make $1. And now we're going to use dimes to count up to 50 cents. So let's use dimes to count to 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we're going to use a nickel to count up to 55. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Now we need to get to 58. So we're going to use pennies. 56, 57, 58. Good job. Now I'm going to count them all together and you count with me. 25, 50, 75, $1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 55, 56, 57, 58. $1.58, or 158 days of school. I hope you guys have a great day today, and I'll catch you later.